Hello, my name is Tony. I'm with Golden Star Home Buyers. We're a local company that buys houses cash. We can settle in as little as 14 days. We can go as fast as you like or as slow as you need. Say you inherited a property, don't want to be bothered going through a divorce, foreclosure, and say you just moving out of state because of a job transfer, fire damaged properties. I'm just tired of being a landlord. Whatever the situation, we can help. It's a real easy, simple process that's geared to helping you. It has to be a win-win on both ends. Obviously, the numbers have to make sense for us to be able to purchase it, as well as it has to make sense for you to want to sell it. However it goes, it's okay with us. We don't do lowball offers. We analyze the property and then give you a no obligation fair offer price, and then we go from there. So if you're wanting to sell your property, just give us a call or go on our website and fill out the form, and someone will get back in touch with you as soon as possible.